Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing my new mechanical keyboard from YUNZII. This is the C75, and I know you're probably wondering, what the heck, why are we here talking about this? Well, as of late, I've been working a lot on my computer, and you know, sometimes when you're working on your computer, you just need to be looking at something cute and cozy to just, you know, get you through that mid-afternoon crash. So I'm trying to cut out coffee and I figured, you know, maybe I'll get a second win by looking at something cute, you know. So let me see, what's the best way of doing this. I feel like you should have like an overview, like a bird's eye view, but let's see what I can do. Okay, so this is cute. When you first open the box, there's quite a few things in here. So wireless mechanical keyboard. I'm pretty sure this is like instructions. Oh, I get stickers. So we get stickers here. A cute little birthday card, and the manual, which will probably come in very handy because I don't really know how to work this thing. There's a lot of really cool functions with this keyboard, okay? Like just stay with me. Especially if you're into like cutesy things, this is it. Oh, you guys, we have a cupcake mouse pad. Shut up. How cute. And extra keycaps. Hopefully you guys can see that. And of course, the keyboard itself. So this, okay, there are different colorways that you can get. This one is the beige colorway. There is a purple, a chocolate, and a blue version. I want to say even a pink version, but I chose the beige one because it wasn't too girly. I don't know, I'm weird. I like to have girly things, but not so girly where it's like obnoxious. Does that even make sense? I don't know. I'm going through a phase, you guys. And what is this? Accessories. This is probably... Oh, okay, so this here is so that you can change your keypads. Sorry, keycaps. And this is probably for the charger. Yeah, this is the charger. So, let's put that over here. The final reveal. Oh my god. You guys, why is it so cute? Look at this. Look at this. How stinking cute. And like the detailing all the way around. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, but really what sold me was the sound that the keyboards make. Can you hear that? Oh my gosh, I can't even. Does this not motivate you to keep typing? It motivates me. Okay, I need to go off camera really quick because you see the smiley face right here? It lights up. I need to figure out how to light this up for you guys. But overall, this is a pretty heavy keyboard. I specifically chose this YUNZII one because it's the body is aluminum and it's quite sturdy. Like it's heavier than others and it's not plastic. This does connect wirelessly, and it can also connect via USB-C, which is what the wire that I had shown you guys earlier. I want to figure out how to turn it on, and do you see that? It's lit up. I can't. So I'm pretty sure I can change the different colors of the face, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but do you see? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I need to take like a picture like on the side so you guys can see. I feel like I'm gonna want to change out my keypads, because not keypads, keycaps, because I don't quite like the white space bar. I'm kind of feeling, this is open. No, I have to use scissors. I'm kind of feeling this pink one right here. So yes, I'm gonna go off camera, connect it to my computer, and then show you guys. All right, so I have successfully connected this to my laptop, and one of the things that I forgot to mention was the bottom of the keyboard. Do you see this? We have cute little paws. Oh my god. And these paws just aren't for show, you guys. So like I had said earlier, there are 3 different ways to connect your keyboard to your laptop. One is via Bluetooth. The other is, you know, the good old-fashioned way with a cord. Or one of these paws come out, and it's this one. And here you will find a little fishy USB dongle situation. So this would just connect to your laptop or your monitor, and it'll just, you know, do its thing. And like I said, this is very durable. Like, it's pretty heavy for a keyboard. I have another keyboard by a Jazz, I don't know, I'll throw a picture up for you guys, but it's not like, I guess that keyboard is plastic, so the body is, you know, not as heavy as this one. This one is a little bit heavier because, like I said, it's aluminum. Sorry you guys, I'm struggling here. All right, so the first thing I did was I figured out how to change the smiley face light. So I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer and just like start typing away so you can see like how it looks, how it sounds, how the lights change colors, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to show you guys cute things. All right, so one of the shortcuts that you can change on this keyboard is the backlight. If you hold function and backspace, you can turn off the backlight of this. And if I want to change the effects of it, it says I can hold the function button and the slash key here. I don't know if you can see that, but we have rainbow colors. Rainbow colors. Can you see? I feel like you can't really see. It's just like glowing. And what else? I actually don't like that. That's kind of creeping me out. So now we have it's pink and now green and yellow, so it's changing colors. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I feel like this is great for people who have ADHD, like myself. Or you can just turn off the backlight completely. Okay, so now it's white. The smiley face up here, I'm pretty sure it's to turn it on and off is the function and the pause button. So that's off, that's on, and then function print, you can change the way the smiley face lights up. Oh, that's an angry one. I don't know why this brings me so much joy. Oh my gosh. And there is a way to change the lighting on this side too. It's function delete. Okay, function delete. So that's kind of like off. That's on. And then the home key. So it just kind of pulses at you. Yeah, this brings me a whole lot of joy. Okay, so while I have you here, I suppose you want to hear what it sounds like. Doesn't that sound so satisfying? Oh, it sounds so good. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is that I did choose the candy switch as opposed to the milk switch. And the difference between the candy switch and the milk switch is literally the sound. So this has a little bit more pop. Do you feel that? This has a little bit more pop to the sound that it's making versus the milk. The milk is a little bit more deeper and a little bit more dull. I feel like it's closer to this. But even this has like a higher pitch where you get a little bit more pop. I don't know, I can't describe it. Maybe I should buy two so that you guys can hear the difference. But yeah. I don't know, it brought me joy. I feel like I'm gonna switch out the keycaps for this one brand that I saw. I can't remember the name, but I'll throw up a picture of what the keycaps look like. And I'm thinking the Rainy Pig is the way to go. But yeah, can you imagine little pigs on this? So cute. And other cute things that I had purchased recently were there's a bedroom puzzle set. I don't know what's going on. I feel like because I'm spending so much time on the computer that I just kind of need something cute to look at and listen to something cute. My job is just so stressful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. I feel like once I get this built and add a few more cozy accessories to my desktop, I'm probably gonna do like a little tour. I don't know if you're into that, but if you are, hey, hi. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.